Well, hello there and welcome to another video. I thought I'd kick this one off with an iced coffee because Nespresso's come out with limited edition tropical coconut flavour over ice. Now, when I saw this, I was like, wow, because I've been making my regular coffee as an iced coffee anyway, but this is specifically made for over ice. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to try it today, and I'm going to show you how I use my Ericino, because for those of you who might not know, there is a ice cold button as well as a hot button, so you can have frothy ice cold milk. So let's get started. This is the packaging. How gorgeous is it? Tropical coconut flavour over ice, limited edition. This is what the capsule looks like. This is the Virtuo, and this is a 230. What I'm going to do is get yourself a glass and a load of ice and pop that in to the glass like so. If you want, I absolutely adore this Rude Health almond drink. It is amazing, and let me just show you the ingredients. Where are they? Look at that. The ingredients on here: spring water, organic rice, organic Italian almonds, cold pressed sunflower oil, sea salt. It is no you know, binders and fillers and whatever. But anyway, this is my favourite drink. It's slightly sweet, so I'm going to pour that into the Ericino. I like to fill up to the max. Now, to get your cold option, what you want to do is press the button for 2 seconds. And you'll see it goes blue. That's your ice cold mode. So this is going to whip up your milk and it's going to be ice cold. That's whipping up. We are going to go ahead and pop our capsule in. And away we go. Don't worry if that ice melts a bit. It's going to melt a bit, but that's why I put loads of ice in. Now, if you've got a smaller cup, but you've got a larger coffee capsule, you can press the Nespresso button anytime to stop the amount of coffee. So when I feel like I've got enough coffee, I will stop, depending on how much I want. So you can see that filling up, because I like, you know, a lot of milk in mine. So I'm going to fill that up probably halfway, and about there. Look how gorgeous that looks. My goodness. My Nespresso has stopped, so that's ready. I'm going to pour my cold milk slowly over the top. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to get my straw, give it a bit of a mix, so that all mixes in. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Right, we're now going to give it the taste test. My really long straw. Way, coconutty. If you like coconut, you're gonna love this. Sorry for all the schmutzing, but you know, these straws are really good. I got them from Amazon because, you know, I'm anti-plastic, so you can just pop them in the dishwasher and you can keep them forever, and they're great. They're easy to clean. But anyway, there you go. Oh, look, bit of a spillage. I'm a messy pop, I am. There you go. That's how to make an iced coffee at home with your Nespresso machine, with your limited edition iced coffees. Doesn't get better than that. Don't need to go out and get a coffee from Starbucks anymore. You know, enjoy.